Assalamu alaikum, friends and viewers. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. Dear guys, today we are discussing about the wind energy or windmills. So, this topic is very interesting. So, please watch my complete video and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you can get my other videos as well. So let's start our topic. The wind is an incredibly valuable renewable energy source and is in the forefront of renewable energy developments. It is used to convert wind energy into energy that can be harnessed and used via a variety of methods, including wind turbines, windmill sails, and wind pumps. For a renewable energy source, however, it is wind turbines that are used to generate electricity. Wind power has been used for this since the end of the 19th century. After Professor James Blake of the Royal College of Science and Technology first attempted it. However, it wasn't until the 1980s that using wind power technology was sufficient enough to experience a rapid growth of the technology. Wind power is one of the most sustainable ways of generating electricity. Electricity as no toxic emissions are produced, it does not add to global warming and is one of the most available source of renewable energy. And theoretically, it is an infinite source of energy on generating electricity, which make it appealing to many individual governments and organizations. Due to this, it is the fastest growing source of electricity in the world. Union of Concerned Scientists 2014 with a 10% increase in yearly addition installed in 2012 compared with 2011. Global Energy Wind Energy Council 2012. However, the proportion of energy that can be harnessed through wind power is restricted by the cost of the infrastructure needed construction, the amount of wind that occurs, and that there are only a narrow number of sites within UK that are wind through for the wind turbines to be worth installation. How wind turbines work. The wind's kinetic energy can be used. Emissions with advance in modern technology becoming bigger and more complex and progressively competing pricing. The Global Wind Energy Council predict that by 2017 the global wind capacity will extend to 536,000 megawatts, which is nearly double than that currently. However, to achieve this substantial investment in infrastructure, electricity grids, and interconnections will be needed, even though development is slowing down due to factors such as environment concerns. Through development, public concerns about aesthetic and health issues, along with the financial crisis, slowing down financing for new wind energy projects. Sailing the Wind by Michael Nedger's summary. With concerns over global warming growing, people are starting to turn a more serious eye toward cleaner sources of energy instead of solar power, making a comeback as the ideal form where we are seeing a growth in the use of wind power. Wind farms are beginning to crop up all around the country. So guys, you listen and watch about the wind power, how it is convert in one energy to second energy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching my video.